Dear children, we are discussing the features of light. In the last class, we discussed refraction of light and the peculiarities of concave, convex, and plane mirrors. Let us see the questions and answers.
Hi, I'm Gauri B, studying in 7th E. Previous class questions and answers. What is kaleidoscope?
Kaleidoscope is a tube containing mirrors and pebbles creating beautiful patterns.
What is the use of periscope? Periscope enables an observer to view the surrounding objects from lower level. What is the refraction of light? When light travels from one medium to another, its path undergoes a deviation. The phenomenon of light is called the refraction. Why does the pencil break when it is placed on a glass of water? Light rays traveling from water to air undergo slight deviation. Thus, the light rays reflected from the pencils appear broken. Write in it two peculiarities of plane mirror, convex mirror, and concave mirror. Plane mirror, multiple reflection, image of the same size as that of the object. Concave mirror, ability to form enlarged images, ability to reflect light as parallel beam. Convex mirror, makes the light to fall on large area. Diminished image of the object is obtained, wide field of view. Thank you.
Dear students, as you know, mirrors are made up of glass and glass is a transparent object. And what do you think about a mirror? Are they transparent objects? Mirrors do not allow light to pass through it because one side of the mirror is covered with the chemical mercury and paint. So mirror is an opaque object which reflect light more. Now let us see a few other objects which allow light to pass through them. We use lens to see things more clearly. Lens is a transparent material which has at least one curved surface. Camera, telescope, projector, microscope, spectacle, etc. are devices using different types of lenses. There are two types of lenses, convex lens and concave lens. Lens with a thick central portion and a thin edge is called convex lens, and lens with a thin central portion and thick edges is called concave lens. Convex lens can make the image of an object on a wall, but concave lens cannot make the image of the object on a wall. Both lenses allow light to pass through it, but we know that when the light travels from one medium to another, its path undergoes a deviation that is called refraction. Here also the refraction happens. A convex lens brings the light rays passing through it close to each other, converges. But a concave lens separates the light rays passing through it or diverges. Now let us see one more great feature of the light. Dear children, sunlight is white light. But it consists of 7 colors. Yes, really, the sunlight consists of 7 colors. You might have seen a rainbow. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7, isn't it? Which are they? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Simply we can say vismayangal. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Have you ever seen a prism? When light is passed through a prism, it splits into its component colors. The phenomenon of the splitting up of white light into its component colors is called dispersion. It occurs because different colors in white light undergo different extents of refraction. You may have now understood that the rainbow is a color phenomenon that occurs when sunlight passes through water droplets in the atmosphere. Now let us conclude this unit by making a color disc. Take a discarded CD and mark 7 equal sections as shown in the figure. You may either paint the 7 colors of a rainbow on it in its order or paste colored papers. Rotate the disc fast, inserting a pencil in the hole of the CD. Which color do you see now? Haven't you now understood that when the component colors of light are combined, white light is obtained? You have now done different experiments using mirrors, lens, prisms, etc. Certain peculiarities of light make all these experiments interesting. You can try more interesting experiments with additional materials. Present your interesting experiments in the Science Club. A magazine on light may be brought for combining experiments and figures. Now let us see the questions. Mirrors is made up of glass, but it is not transparent. Why? What is a lens? What are the two types of lenses? Explain. 4. Name the devices where lenses are used. And last, what is dispersion of light? Dear children, go through the Victor's class and also go through the textbook many times and make sure that you have received the significant learning outcomes, and you can assess yourself by doing the activities given in the textbook at the end of the unit. Okay, thank you.